Best deals. 1. Oil filter. Made of high-quality polished stainless steel with a built-in stainless steel filter. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cutter. Two-sided razor-sharp blades helps to chop all vegetables in shapes and sizes of your choice. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Coconut breaker. The water collecting bowl is made up of solid hot rolled steel having 4 mm thickness and 135 mm diameter, made of iron to get maximum strength and durability. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Mango slicer. Peeler has a unique design that acts as a 2-in-1 for peeling the mango and holding it in place. Features a blade shape perfect for removing mango pits of various sizes. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Spiralizer. Compact size is perfect for individual portions. Cuts uniform, curly noodles from zucchinis, cucumbers, sweet potatoes and more. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Drainer. This invention is a device which can be used for fixing a lid on the mouth of the cooking pan. It helps in reducing having risk elements of direct filtering. This kitchen essentials helps in filtering or extracting water from rice after boiling. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Garlic twister. Manual twister requires no cutting or pressing. Place garlic in container. Just twist to effortlessly grind garlic cloves into perfectly minced bits. Mincing teeth are beveled in both directions for more efficient cutting. That can mince all kinds of ingredients. Also great for chili peppers, ginger, olives. Storing garlic in a clear container leaves no odor on the hands. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Burner stand. It is a standard size product that fits on most of the gas burners. You can even use this as a steel trivet. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Peelers. Features a unique 90 degrees rotating stainless steel blade for both vertical and horizontal peeling, making it easy to adapt to any fruit or vegetable shape. Ergonomic design helps in quick and easy handling. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Plastic trolley. 360 degrees rotating wheels, ensure smooth and effortless movement in all directions. Anti-slip base, provides stability and prevents accidental slips. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Oil soup separator. The fat floats above the soup, and the outlet of the small hole is below the spoon. When pouring, the clear soup flows out from the lower hole first. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Egg dispenser. Bins are made of high-quality thick and food-grade material that will not be broken by external forces. The transparent design helps you see the position and quantity of the eggs. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Chopper. One-touch operation. Simplify your cooking with the intuitive one-touch operation of this mini food processor. Just a simple press and the powerful 30W motor delivers precise chopping in seconds, saving your time and effort. Features an auto-off function that stops the blades immediately when the lid is opened. This safety feature ensures a worry-free and secure operation every time. Its detachable design allows for quick and easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Grater. With minimal effort you can perfectly shred and slice cheese and vegetables. Get creative and make dinner exciting again by grating, slicing. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Spoon. Scrape out every last piece of food from your pan or bowl with the flat silicone scraping tip and flexible spoon sides. Keep benches and counters clean and food hygienic thanks to the unique handle design which sits your spoon up and off your bench. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Bala. Scoop set are characterized by smooth surfaces, which can avoid food residues lingering on them. Easily, convenient to wash by hands in warm water or by dishwashers, take less effort. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Strainer. High quality stainless steel construction ensures durability and rust resistance. Handle design makes it easier to handle and effectively catches food particles, vegetable scraps, and hair. Fine perforated design prevents clogging while allowing smooth water drainage. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Oil dispenser bottle. Made with durable, food-grade transparent glass that lets you easily monitor oil levels and ensures safe storage without any chemical leaching. Features a tightly sealed design with a no-drip stainless steel spout, preventing spills. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Rice pot drainer. Elevate your rice pot with this stand for quick and effective draining. Rice drainer stand that neatly holds your pot while draining excess water. Rice strainer stand fits various pot sizes, can use as fruit, beans, noodle strainer. Drain stand ensures durability for long-lasting kitchen convenience. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Chopping board. Features 5 integrated dips, perfect for separating ingredients, holding condiments, or serving a variety of snacks directly on the board. This design adds functionality and convenience, transforming your chopping board into a versatile kitchen tool and serving piece. Teak wood's inherent durability and natural oil content make it resistant to water and staining. The food-grade polish meets NSF standards, ensuring it is very safe for kitchen use. The rich, warm tones and unique grain patterns of teak wood make this board not only practical but also a beautiful piece of kitchenware that can double as a serving platter. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Butter churner. Create fresh and delicious butter with this butter churner for home. Simply add double cream and turn the handle for around 10 minutes to separate the butter from the buttermilk. This butter churner makes the process fun and rewarding in any kitchen. High-quality materials and smart design crafted with a durable borosilicate glass butter churner jar. This butter churner machine for home includes a stainless steel paddle and a smooth acacia wood handle. The silicone seal helps keep the contents fresh and prevents spills during churning. Multi-use and sustainable kitchen tool. This butter maker is designed for long-term use and supports a zero-waste lifestyle. It is a reusable and recyclable churner that also functions as a buttermilk churner, letting you make both butter and buttermilk at home using fresh ingredients. It's easy to use and store. Customize your butter recipes whether you are a beginner or a home chef. The included recipe booklet helps you use this churner for buttermilk and butter. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Mandolin slicer. It can meet all your needs, including straight cuts, waffle and wavy cuts, small julienne cuts, and larger French fry cuts. Julienne's mandolin cutter with safe and secure design. The blades are made of food-grade stainless steel and integrated into the machine. Blade selection and thickness are adjusted with the turn of a dial on the side of the mandolin. Product link is given in the 22nd link.